Christmas gift to myself. And everything was good. They've taken the care to bubble wrap individual pieces and safely install. Safely ship. Okay. Everything is plastic, which is fine. Let's put the plug. Alright. Nothing's broken, nothing seems to be everything looks to be intact. Okay, so this cute little thing here came out pretty nice. It was easy, very easy put together. It was not a big deal. There's a couple things that you need to be aware of. That make sure the pump is completely submerged into in the water there. Make sure that your rocks and the container itself is wiped down. You want to I use a strainer to clean the rocks because you don't want to get any of the sediment onto in the pump, and that's going to create a noise. So I put it on my little corner table here, in the corner of my living room here. That's it. I'll see if I like it there. But I think I'm going to enjoy the sounds of the water running, and that's the whole point of the channel. Is different ways to seek peace, relax. Whether you're studying or just kind of just chilling out. Turn off that negative news. We don't need to hear that 24 hours a day. This is horrible. So that's why I put together the channel for me, really, to kind of relax and chill out. I work construction during the day. It's grueling. So for me to come home and relax, it's important. And I'm sure you guys feel the same way. And that's why, I decided to create my channel and provide, hey, you know what? Everyone likes waterfalls. If you don't like waterfalls, then I don't know what's wrong with you. You need to get some help. But, a lot of the other channels are really, I enjoy, for years, I've always enjoyed listening to, that peaceful music. I get into my regular type of music, during the day, but when it comes home, when I come home, it's not something I want to listen to. It's just, I just need to decompress. And that's what I, decided to say, hey, you know what? Let's have some fun with this. Create a channel where people can come and listen to, music, watch videos, relax, and then they can go about their evening or even start their day in the morning, and with a positive attitude. So this is my little waterfall here. If I'm going to claim to be the waterfall guy, I better have waterfalls. I've seen some very nice setups in a lot of my customer homes. That's very inspiring. I've seen beautiful waterfalls in hallways, entrance to the doorways. That sometimes I see them with like a Buddha fountain or a Buddha statue. Beautiful, very cool, and that's what those are another of the reasons why I got inspired to create a channel. I see a lot of customers that have beautiful waterfalls in their swimming pools and in the backyard, and being here in Fort Lauderdale, I'm surrounded by a lot of water. So, but anyhow, that is it for the evening. It's time to cook some dinner. It's getting late, and thanks for watching.